If you're seeing Outlook error 0x800ccc0d, that usually means Outlook is having trouble connecting to your email server. The good news is, this is a very common issue, and in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective ways to fix Outlook error 0x800ccc0d step by step. We'll check your server settings, look at your internet connection, and go through a couple of common blockers like Antivirus and Firewall settings. So if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Outlook and go to your account settings. The very first thing you want to check is your SMTP and incoming mail server details. This error often happens when one of the server names is typed incorrectly or when the port and authentication settings are wrong. Make sure the incoming server and outgoing server names match exactly what your email provider gave you. Even a small spelling mistake can cause Outlook to fail when trying to connect. Next, check your username and password. If your password was changed recently, Outlook may still be trying to use the old one. Re-enter your email password carefully and save the settings. If your provider uses app passwords or two-factor authentication, make sure you're using the correct login method. After that, verify your internet connection. Outlook needs a stable connection to reach the mail server, so open a browser and make sure websites are loading normally. If your internet is slow or dropping out, restart your modem or switch to another network and try again. Now let's check security software. Sometimes antivirus or firewall programs block Outlook from reaching the mail server. To test this, temporarily disable your antivirus and firewall for a moment, then try sending or receiving email again. If Outlook starts working, then you found the cause. In that case, you'll want to add Outlook to the allowed apps list instead of leaving protection turned off. Another useful step is to confirm that the correct mail server ports are being used. Depending on your email provider, the incoming and outgoing server ports may need to be set to specific values, and the outgoing server may require authentication. If those settings are wrong, Outlook may show error 0x800ccc0d. Even if your password is correct, if the issue still continues, close Outlook completely and reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart is enough to refresh the connection and clear temporary glitches. You can also try restarting your computer because network-related Outlook problems can sometimes get stuck until Windows reloads your connection settings. One more thing to try is creating a new Outlook profile. If your current profile is corrupted, Outlook may keep failing no matter what server settings you use. A fresh profile can often solve stubborn connection issues and get your email working again. Once you've checked the server settings, confirmed your internet connection, and tested your antivirus or firewall, Outlook error 0x800ccc0d should usually be resolved. The key is to work through each step carefully and make sure Outlook can actually reach your mail server without anything blocking it. If this tutorial helped you fix the problem, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting me know which step worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.